Hi there. Today we are going to see how to draw in Instagram chat. So you go to the chat that you want to draw, and there is the plus, and then draw. It's a new feature. As you can see, you can pick the color and you start drawing in the chat. This will be available in the chat. Anytime you go to the chat, you will see this drawing. And as you can see, I am drawing a like button. I want you to like this video and subscribe to my channel to help me produce more of these videos. And you can choose the colors and all of that, and you can like air something and all of that. And it will stay in the chat, even if you go back and or you type some messages, it will stay in the chat. As you can see, I'm going back and come into the chat. As you can see, I found it again. You can hide it. This will hide it only once, but if you go back, you will find it, as you can see. And you can delete it or unsend it as a message. So yeah, it will unsend. And if you go back, you will not find it anymore. Like and subscribe. Bye bye.